Okay, now all of you, today I will talk about the questions given to you on the 8th of March 2018. Now please look at the question. That is figure 4a, this one, shows the thin paper sector OXYZ of area 2880 pi mm square. Okay, now by joining OX and OZ together, and we will still fix the form of the inverted right circular conical container as shown in the figure 4b. Okay, now for part A, you are going to find the length of OX. Now, let's do this question. You will see, obviously, only we know OX. This one is the radius of this sector. So why don't we use this one? That is, let L be the length of OX. We have this one first, and next what can we do is that we use the formula of the area sector, that is pi times L square times 288 degrees over 360 degrees will equals 2880 pi cm square. You got this one. Okay, this formula, please remember, this is your Form 2 formula for you. But first of all, you see, we have 2 pi there. So, we are no need to use the calculator to do the pi. So, what can we do is that just cancel it. So, we got L square times 288 degrees over 360 degrees equals 2880. So, what we have, this one is the called L square. Okay, by calculations, 2880 times 360 divided by 288, you'll see L square equals to 3600. So what we have means is that the L will equals 60 mm. So for your calculation, this is 60 mm. But now, please look at the question for part B and part C. Sometimes we must read the whole question and you will find something problem. Because pay attention for part C, suppose that the container is held vertically. If the water of the volume is 150 cm cube, for this one you will see cm cube over there. So first of all, why don't we change it to 6 cm first? Otherwise, you will find trouble in this question because this is cm cube and this is mm. So please pay attention. A no mark will be deducted when you write down mm, but pay attention, it's not good for you to do question part C for using mm, but why don't we change it to cm first? Okay, now for part B, you are going to find the height of the container. Now for OX, you know that means the slant height is 6 cm, but we do not know what is the base radius and also the height of the container. So first of all, we are going to use the formula we always use is let part A finish. For part B, let R be the base radius first of container. Okay, you have this one. The let R be the base radius of the container. So what can we do is that obviously for this one, the RXZ is equal to the one here, the circumference of the base area. So what we do is that 2 pi R will equals 2 pi times L, that is 6 cm, times 288 degree over 360 degree. Once again, we will not use calculator to calculate 2 pi because we can cancel 2, cancel pi here. So what we have is that R will equal to 6 times 280 degree divided by 360 degree. That is 6 times 288 divided by 360. You got the R will equals 4.8 cm. Okay, what can we do is that we still need to find the height of the container. So why don't we let h be the height of the container? This time we will use the Pythagoras theorem. Obviously, every time you will have R, H, and L. We always have this one. The R is the base radius and H is the height of the cone, and also the slant height L will become a right angle triangle. So what can we write down is 4.x squared plus h squared equals 6 squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. We have this one. So as soon as possible, h will equals to, if I know well, that is 3.6 cm. So we finish part B. And finally, we go to the part C. We are going to show that suppose the container is held vertically, and if the water of the volume 150 cm cube is poured, and we put some water inside it in the container, will the water overflow? Overflow means that some water come out of the container. So what can we do is that we're going to find the volume of the container. So part C, we are going to find the volume of the container. The volume of the container is, now we will remember the formula, 1/3 times pi times 4.x squared, that is the R radius, times the height 3.6. We have this one. Okay, now with the help of calculator, 4.x squared times 4.x squared times 3.6 times pi divided by 3. The answer is the volume only have 86.9 cm cube, which is less than 150 cm cube. So obviously that will be overflow. So the water will overflow. So you will see the answer for this one. The question here is most about the mm and the cm. So if you change it to cm immediately, you can use it in part C directly. Otherwise, some mistake may be made because you use the 60, that must be bigger than 150 cm cube. So you will find some problem for this one. Okay, please pay attention for the question 2. Make sure that you know what I'm talking about. If you still have any problem, please ask me after the lesson. Okay,